Write the vision. Make it plain on tablets, so he may run who reads it.
Our vision at Chapel on the Hill. Bridging community and Christ. To bring hope, wholeness, and abundant life.
Our dreams at Chapel on the Hill. Connect. We dream of a church where healthy fellowship is an invitation to develop genuine and rewarding friendships.
Worship. We dream of a church where worship is a powerful experience leading to a contagious expression of freedom and intimacy in the Spirit.
Grow. We dream of a church where discipleship is a strategic cycle of mentoring resulting in leadership development and evangelism.
Serve. We dream of a church where the call to serve is an exciting opportunity for selfless obedience to fulfill God's purpose.
Go. We dream of a church where evangelism is consistently taught with passion and practiced in an intentional, fun, and life-changing way.
Our values at Chapel on the Hill. Contagious worship. A place to pursue and experience God's presence.
Welcoming culture. A place to belong.
Strategic discipleship. A place to learn and apply God's Word.
Transformation. A place to change.
Church growth and vitality. A place to grow and thrive.
Missional. A place for outreach.
Celebrate wins. A place to testify.